Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn handwork at home, updated. Start by setting a dedicated workspace and gathering essential tools for sewing, knitting, or wood carving. Break skills into short daily sessions and focus on one technique until you feel confident. Use tutorial videos, community forums, and craft books to reinforce learning. Track progress with small projects and set measurable goals to build habit and skill steadily. Find basic tools that give big learning returns and buy quality items that suit your chosen craft. For sewing, get scissors, needles, thread, and a basic machine if possible. For carving, choose safe knives, sandpaper, and a stable work surface. Organize tools within reach and maintain them clean. Practicing with reliable equipment speeds progress and reduces frustration, so invest thoughtfully and learn how each tool functions. Quick recommendation: if you want one less chore while crafting, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. I recommend the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for smarter floor care, with voice control and strong cleaning power that keeps craft areas tidy. It saves time and reduces dust around workspaces. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy cleaner sessions. Now let's get back to the video. Create short, focused practice routines that you can repeat daily to build muscle memory. Warm up with simple drills, then practice the core technique for 20 to 30 minutes, ending with a quick review. Vary projects to keep motivation high and apply skills in real tasks. Record sessions, or take photos to track subtle improvements, and adjust your routine as you learn what gives the best results. Stay patient and celebrate each milestone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.